let me introduce myself. My name is Adelia Saraswati, and you can call me Adelia. I am from class 15 to A05 with name 1524041 9. Here, I want to make an English pretest assignment, and I took two titles, namely Inside Computer and Computer. And yeah, watching to the next video. The first title is Inside a Computer. What is inside a computer? A computer is a powerful electronic device that processes data. It is made up of several important parts that work together to perform different tasks. The four main parts inside a computer are 1. Arithmetic logic unit or ALU. This part does all the math and logical comparisons. 2. Control unit. It acts like a manager that tells other part what to do step by step. 3. Memory. This is where data in instructions are stored. 4. Input and output. This part helps the computer communicate with the outside world like using a keyboard or screen. Next, understanding computer memory. Memory is used to store information the computer is working on. There are two main types. 1. RAM, random access memory. This is temporary memory. It is fast and used while the computer is on. Once you turn off the computer, data in RAM is lost. 2. ROM, read-only memory. This memory is permanent. It has important instructors that help the computer start. Computer also use unit to measure memory. 1 byte, 8 byte, 1 kilobyte, 1020 bytes, 1 megabyte, 1020 kilobyte, 1 gigabyte, 1020 megabyte. Next, the central processing unit or CPU. The CPU is as the brain of the computer. It does all the thinking, calculating, and decisions making. The CPU is usually a small chip, but it is one of the most powerful parts. 1. It carries out instructions from programs. 2. The speed of a CPU is measured in mHz or GHz. Here is feathers. 3. CPU can have multiple cores, meaning they can do several tasks at once. Next, input device sending data to the computer. Input device let us give command or informations to the computer. Some common input device are 1. Keyboard. Use the type, letters, number, and command. 2. Mouse. Help you move the pointer and click on things. 3. Scanner. Turn printer image into digital form. 4. Touchpad. A felt surface that moves that cursor when touched. 5. Joystick and light pen, often used in games or design work. Next, output device, getting result from the computer. Output device show us the result of what the computer has done. Some popular output devices are 1. Monitor, display text, image, and videos. 2. Printer, creating a hard copy of document and pictures. 3. Speaker, play sound and music from the computer. 4. Plotter, prints large design like engineering drawing. 5. Speech deceiver, read out text using a digital voice. Next, storage device, saving your work. Storage device help keep your work safe even after the computer is turned off. Main types of storage device include 1. Hard disk drive. Stores a lot of data. It is fast and usually inside the computer. 2. Flash drive or USB. Small, portable, and useful for transferring files. 3. Optical disc or DVD. Using for storing music, video, or document. 4. Storage is measured in gigabytes or terabytes. The more gigabytes or terabytes you have, the more data you can store. We continue to the next title. Computer. What is computer? A computer is an electronic device that receives data, processes it, stores it, and gives an output. It follows instructions called program to perform tasks like calculations, reading documents, browsing the internet, or playing games. computers are used in many areas of life, such as education, business, health, and entertainment. They help people to work faster and more efficiently. Next, main component of computer. Computers have two main parts, hardware and software. Hardware is the physical part you can touch, like the monitor, keyboard, mouse, and CPU. Software is the programs that tells the computer what to do, like Windows, Microsoft Word, or games. Important hardware part: 1. Monitor for display informations. 2. Keyboard for using to type. 3. Mouse used to click and select. And CPU for the brain of the computer. Next, how does a computer work? A computer work is four basic steps. 1. Input. The user gives data using input device like a keyboard or mouse. 2. Process. The CPU processes the data and makes decisions. 3. Storage. Information is saved for future use using storage device like hard device or USB. 4. Output. The result is shown on the output device like a monitor or printer. This step helps the computer perform usual actions. Next, type of computer. 1. Mini computer or powerful system used by mid-size companies to handle large tasks than personal computer, offering efficiency for business operations. 2. Mainframe computers are extremely powerful and reliable, used by large organizations to manage vast amount of data and multiple transactions simultaneously. 3. Personal computers are affordable, using friendly device designed for individual use, ideal for personal tasks like work, browsing, and entertainment. Next, importance of computer. 1. In education, used for research, learning, and online class. 2. In business, help with communications, managing data, and increasing productivity. 3. In entertainment, computers are used for gaming, streaming, and creative projects. 4. In communications, they enable emails, social media, and video calls. And yeah, thank you for the watching my video. Bye bye guys.